Okay, so good morning, everybody. So we're going to be looking at today. We're going to be looking at the Europa League and game between Lille and Aston Villa. So on the Do Quick platform. So let's dive into it. You can see from the overall in the last 5 games. We're looking at 5 games overall. In the last 5 games, Lille has considered an average of. They scored an average of 0.8 games in the last 5 games. They don't usually score in their home. Look at away in the last 5 games. They scored an average of 1, while Aston Villa has considered an average of 2. Let's go to full analysis. So you look at the full analysis here. If you look at it, in their last 10 games, they've still scored an average of 0 points, but they've considered 8. But Aston Villa has scored an average of 1 and considered an average of 1 when they are playing home. When they are playing away, they've scored an average of. Lille has scored an average of 0.5. Aston Villa has scored an average of 1. They've considered an average of 0. These two guys they don't concede and they don't score so much. If you don't look at their last, you look at their H2H. This is H2H for their last 10 games. Look at H2H for their last 5 games. You can see that their form is 40-20. They are not really on form, both of them. Aston Villa has won 1. Alright, so this is the analysis for their last 10 and their last 10 H2H, last 10 games. Look at their last 10 games. Alright, these are analysis. So last 10 games, they are still not so much in form. If you look at the corner kick, alright, you can see that Aston Villa overall, Lille has considered more corner kick. They've scored more They've had more corner kicks than Aston Villa. What about foul? Overall, Lille, both of them, they have almost 11 fouls overall. And if you look at shots on goal, they've had an average of. Lille has an average of 3. Aston Villa has an average of 4. If you look at their offside overall, these are the last 10 games. That you can actually look at last 5 games all season. So you can also look at the last 10 games. How many? What is it?